What if I told you that you could start making extra money this week without spending a single dollar to do it? No inventory, no startup costs, no business plan. Just a skill you probably already have and a way to turn it into cash. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a side hustle from zero. I'm talking no money, no experience, no excuses. And I'll give you 5 specific options so you can pick the one that fits your life right now. Stay until the end because I'll show you the #1 mistake that kills most side hustles before they ever make a dollar. Welcome back to WealthWise. On this channel, we break down personal finance into steps anyone can actually follow, whether you're just starting out or trying to level up. If you're new here, hit subscribe. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and every video is designed to move you forward financially. Today we're talking about side hustles, and specifically, how to start one when you have nothing but time and a skill. I've talked to hundreds of people who said, I don't have money to start something. This video is going to flip that belief completely. Hundreds of millions of people now earn income outside their main job. The side hustle economy is global, and it's growing fast. Here's the truth about money that nobody told you in school. One income stream is a single point of failure. If you lose your job tomorrow, your entire financial life collapses. A side hustle changes that equation. But here's what I really want you to understand. A side hustle isn't just about extra cash. It's about options. Options to pay off debt faster, options to invest more, options to say no to a job you hate, options to build something of your own. And the barrier to entry has never been lower. Your phone, your laptop, your existing knowledge. That's all you need. So let's get into the 5 side hustles you can start with zero money. Hustle 1. Freelance services writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, virtual assistants. Whatever skill you have, someone will pay for it. Here's how to start. Create a free profile on Upwork or Fiverr today. Both are available worldwide. Write a description of exactly what you can do and who you can help. Then apply to 5 jobs today. Not tomorrow, today. Most people research for weeks and never start. The ones who win just start. What to charge? Start a little lower than you'd like to get your first reviews, then raise your rates. Your first client is about proof, not profit. Hustle 2. Reselling. You don't need money to resell, you need stuff. Walk through your house right now, clothes you don't wear, electronics collecting dust, books, furniture. That's inventory. Listed on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Vinted, all available globally. Once you've made some cash, you can flip items from secondhand shops or markets for profit. I've seen people go from nothing to over $1,000 in extra income per month doing this part-time. Pro tip: clothes, sneakers, and electronics sell fastest. Take clean photos with good lighting. That alone doubles your sale rate. Hustle 3. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, a blog. You don't need a camera, your phone is fine. You don't need to be famous, you need to be helpful. Pick one topic you know well and start posting. Finance, cooking, fitness, gaming, parenting. Niche content beats general content every single time. This one takes time to monetize, usually 3 to 12 months, but the upside is massive. One viral video can change your entire financial trajectory, and it costs you nothing to start. Hustle 4. Tutoring or coaching. 7, 8, 15. Are you good at math, a foreign language, music, fitness, cooking, coding? There is a parent, student, or adult somewhere who will pay you to teach them what you know. Post in local Facebook groups or community boards. Create a free Calendly link. Charge at local market rates, whatever is fair in your area. Platforms like Preply and Italki are available worldwide and let you teach online to students in any country. This is one of the fastest ways to make money because you're solving an urgent, specific problem for someone who is already looking for help. Hustle 5. Service-based gigs: dog walking, lawn care, cleaning, grocery delivery, handyman work, babysitting. These require no startup cost, just your time and your effort. Platforms vary by country. In the UK, there's TaskRabbit and Delivery. In Germany, you have Helpling and Lieferando. In Brazil, there's Git Ninjas and iFood. Search what's available near you. These aren't glamorous, but they're fast. If you need money this week, this is your answer. One WealthWise viewer started dog walking on weekends and within her first month had a steady roster of clients. 6 months later, she had a waiting list. The mistake: waiting until everything is perfect before starting. I promised you at the start I'd share the #1 mistake, and here it is. The single biggest thing that kills side hustles before they ever make a penny is waiting. Waiting for the perfect time. Waiting to learn more. Waiting to build a website first. Waiting to have a logo. Waiting to figure out taxes. None of that matters at the start. The only thing that matters is getting your first client, your first sale, your first payment. Perfection is the enemy of profit. The people making money from side hustles aren't smarter than you. They just started before they felt ready. Here's your challenge for today. Pick one hustle from this list. Take one concrete action before you go to sleep tonight. Create the profile, list the item, post the video, send the application. One action. That's all. Once you make your first bit of money, and you will, here's how to grow. Reinvest your early earnings into tools that make you more efficient. A better microphone, a scheduling tool, a simple website. Start tracking your income and expenses from day one, even in a simple spreadsheet. This builds good habits and makes tax time way easier. And here's the long game. The goal isn't just extra income. The goal is building a skill set and a reputation that compounds over time. Every client, every review, every completed project is an asset. That makes the next one easier. GOEL framework. First 30 days, get one client. First 90 days, get consistent. First year, scale or systemize. Let me know in the comments. Which hustle are you starting? I read every comment and I love hearing what you're working on. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. And subscribe if you want to go from living paycheck to actually building wealth. That's exactly what we're doing here every week. Next video, we're breaking down credit scores, what they actually are, how they're calculated, and the fastest legal ways to improve yours. Don't miss it.